Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Gigi, your AI partner for self-improvement with Sintra AI. In order to do so, here we are in Sintra, and you could see our different AI employees that we have access to, and here is Gigi, our personal development helper. We'll go ahead and click on Gigi, and this is the screen that you will find. Here, Gigi has created a nice suggestion, creating an ergonomic recording setup and schedule for back-friendly content production. Well, that sounds great because ergonomics are important. And when you're sitting at a desk for long periods of time, it is definitely good to take that into consideration. Let's just take a look at everything you have available with Gigi. Let's try a new chat. With the new chat, you can see here that we can just have some helpful suggestions here to start off with. We can enhance daily productivity habits. We can create a balanced fitness plan. That doesn't need to be in here, but it is, and it's fantastic. So there's some really amazing options that you can find with Sintra, and Gigi is here to help with the personal development of yourself and your team and make some helpful suggestions to make sure that you're getting that work-life balance set up properly for you and your team. So you can enhance daily productivity, create a balanced fitness plan, boost your mental well-being. So let's go ahead and enhance daily productivity habits. We're going to click on that here. What strategies can I implement to improve my daily productivity while balancing personal commitments? We're going to go ahead and click on send. And now Gigi is hard at work providing a response. And there's just so much here with Sintra that it's not necessary, but it is going to allow you to consider things that you might not consider otherwise. It is an amazing brainstorming tool, can really help you stay focused throughout the day. So that way you can consider strategies for your business that, again, you might not consider otherwise, but Sintra is here to help you with that. And the more time you spend with Sintra, the better it gets to know you and the more that it can provide tailored responses. So here, Gigi has said, let me help you create a balanced productivity strategy that aligns with your existing habits and business commitments. I noticed from your context that you're already practicing some excellent habits, but let's optimize them further considering your busy schedule with YouTube content creation and business development. So we have a morning power block. We've got content creation optimization. We've got a personal wellness integration, business development block, recovery and reflection, key productivity enhancers. Use the Pomodoro technique, 45 minutes of focused work followed by 15-minute breaks. That's really cool. Would you like me to create a detailed daily schedule that incorporates these elements while ensuring you maintain work-life balance? And I talked to Gigi about my back injuries, so that's something that Gigi knows about now. So this is just an example of how Sintra gets to know you better and offers suggestions tailored to your needs. So that's really cool. And once we get our response, what we could do is we can hit copy here. We can paste that into whatever document we wish, or we could save it to Drive. So if you've got your Drive set up, then you could save it straight to Drive. And that's a great way of being able to consolidate the information that you gain with Sintra and then send that to whoever you need. And also, you could see here we have the option to attach a file. So if you get information through your different helpers, put that in a file, and then what you can do is you can hone that, and then you can attach it. So that way your bot is pulling from the information that you attach to be able to provide more tailored responses. We also have the option to use voice. So if we want to speak directly with our helpers, we can do that, saving time and just allowing you to converse instead of having to type everything out and just get those dialed in responses that Sintra is so great with. Here we also have the icon, so we can, this cog icon will allow us to tailor Gigi's responses a little bit more. We can change this dial here and change the way that Gigi responds to us So let's go ahead, and I think in her case, we're going to go ahead and set that to business casual. I say her, but of course, you know, this is an AI bot. So we have the message length that we can set. I'm going to go ahead and set it to long. I kind of like more detailed responses. We can change the language to basic, casual, or expert. Let's go ahead and set that to expert. We could set our traits. In this case, I'm going to set it to always search for Google. And copy my writing style, that's not necessary, so we're just going to leave that. Here we can add custom instructions. So if there's anything specific that we want Gigi to know, we can put that in there. And again, that's just going to give Sintra more information so that it understands exactly what it is that it needs to respond to us as effectively as possible. Here we could take a look at the power-ups that we have available with Gigi. So I'm going to go ahead and click on See All. So we're going to click that there, and then you can see these are the power-ups that we have related to Gigi. We have our meal planner, which is fantastic. We have our schedule creator. We can organize our schedule, plan your week effectively. We can create a personal workout plan to achieve your fitness goals within the available time. We can get assistance with studying through notes and summarization tailored to your learning goals. So that's really quite amazing. All of these are worth their weight in gold. Let's go ahead and just select meal planner. Why not? Let's just take a look here, and we're going to see now that we can enter in our dietary preferences. So this is where you can it's another layer to Sintra that doesn't necessarily need to be there, but when you just kind of consider all a holistic approach to business development, why not? Why not have a meal plan in there? Why not have a workout planner in there? So this is really cool. So we could take some time to enter in what our dietary preferences are, and then under that, we could set up more custom instructions. So yeah, you can see here, vegan, gluten-free, et cetera, et cetera. So whatever it is that you want to specify, then you can put that in there. And if there's any additional instructions, you can put that in there as well. Let's go ahead and let's just head back here to our power-ups. Let's go with get assistance with studying through notes and summarization tailored to your learning goals. Okay, so study goals. So I'm going to say here that I'm going to enter in some information. So let's just do that here real quick. Okay, so I just put here with my study goal, I will be spending time learning how to use AI coding software with Cursor to develop apps. So this is something that I'm going to be doing, is I'm going to be spending some time with Cursor. And so I'm going to let Gigi know that this is something that I'm going to study. And we're going to go ahead and hit generate here to see exactly what Gigi has to say. And Gigi is now creating a personalized study guide, learning AI coding software with Cursor to develop apps. Wow, this is amazing. So here we have week 1, introduction to Cursor and AI coding basics. Week 2, building foundations. Week 3 to 4, app development with AI assistance. Week 5, advanced features and projects. Practical study tips. We got hands-on practice, daily goals, learn by doing, review and reflect, interactive learning aids, tool for better retention. So all of this is just amazing. This is just one example of what you can do with Gigi. If you are needing some help studying a specific topic, then Gigi can provide some unique insights to help you make sure that you're getting all of the information that you need and setting a schedule, making a plan. So all of this is just really fantastic, gives you an idea of everything that's available with Sintra. And quite honestly, with Sintra, I just can't say enough good about it. Each one of these AI helpers, it's worth its weight in gold. Highly recommend taking a look at it. And we're very happy to announce that we are currently providing a promo code for 1 month free of Skillcraft. So if you go to the link in the description, click on that link and enter in promo code during checkout, then you can get 1 month free of Skillcraft. You won't regret it. It's a fantastic tool. We're very excited to be able to partner with Sintra and provide a promo code for you to check it out for yourself. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.